Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Today we're diving into a crucial word that could make a big difference in your GRE verbal score. The word is acumen. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, it's simpler than you think and super useful. So what does acumen mean? At its core, acumen refers to the ability to make good judgments and quick decisions, typically in a particular domain. It comes from the Latin word acuere, which means to sharpen. So when you have acumen, you have a sharp mind. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're an aspiring business tycoon. You'd need business acumen to spot profitable opportunities and avoid risky investments. In simpler terms, you'd need to be sharp and smart about your business decisions. Now, why is acumen important for the GRE? The GRE is not just about testing your knowledge, it's about testing your ability to think critically and make quick, smart decisions under pressure. Having a strong vocabulary like knowing the word acumen can help you better understand complex texts and answer questions more accurately. When you're reading those tricky GRE passages, recognizing words like acumen can give you a hint about the author's intent or the main idea. It helps you read between the lines. And on sentence equivalence or text completion questions, knowing such words can help you eliminate wrong answers and choose the right one. So how do you build your acumen in GRE vocabulary? First, make flashcards for words you encounter. Use them daily. Second, read widely. Newspapers, academic journals, and even novels can introduce you to new words. Third, practice using new words in sentences. The more you use them, the better you remember them. Here's a quick tip. Try to learn words in clusters. For example, if you're learning acumen, you might also learn astute, shrewd, and perceptive. These words have similar meanings and can reinforce each other in your memory. Remember, the GRE verbal section is as much about your verbal acumen as it is about your vocabulary. You need to be able to dissect arguments, understand nuanced meanings, and make quick, accurate decisions. So next time you're studying, think about sharpening your mind, just like acumen sharpens your judgment. With consistent effort, you'll see your vocabulary and your confidence grow. And that, my friends, is the kind of acumen that will help you ace the GRE. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other GRE topics you'd like to cover. Catch you next time, and happy studying!